We are at the Newport Dodge dealership. We had a check engine light come on, so this will be an adventure. We didn't know what it was, so we looked in the book, and it said possibly bad fuel or the fuel cap was off, and to run it, drive it a few cycles, and maybe it'll correct itself. So
it was acting funny, like it was acting like it had bad gas, kind of sputtering here and there just once in a while, and going up hills, it lacked power, and that light came on going up a hill. And it wasn't the engine light, it was it wasn't the oil.
Yeah, it wasn't the oil light,
No.
it was a different light.
It was a symbol, looked like an engine, looked it up in the book, and it said probably bad gas or gas cap off or something. So we brought it to the Dodge dealership the other day. They stick the little machine down in a little port under the dash, and it said something with cylinder 4.
Cylinder 4 misfiring.
Probably a spark plug.
Yeah. So we are stopping by today. We have an appointment to get that looked at and fixed. Of course, we are 2,000 miles over the Dodge warranty, which, whatever, you know, it's like we drive a house and a house has maintenance. So this
road
is
trip
just...
warranty is still good for another like 3 years, but the Dodge chassis expired for this issue. It expired a couple thousand miles ago.
Yeah.
So,
but
oh well.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like it's a big deal, so they think they should have us in and out within an hour. So we'll find out, like Irene said.
Yay,
oh, you gotta put a whole new engine in.
Oh God, you're right.
I'm leaving it here, walking away.
Let's drop it off and go walk for coffee.
Deal.
Okay. It's fixed. Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turns out bad spark plug and bad coil, and they fixed both. So.
Yeah. And I figured that was probably it, at least the spark plug. So I actually thought about, I'll just change the spark plugs. That can't be too difficult.
Yeah.
So I went online and looked on YouTube, and you have to pull the entire intake manifold off the Dodge to change the spark plugs.
Yeah.
So spark plugs and coil were pretty inexpensive. The labor was a little more, but
yeah.
Anyway.
It's done. We're back on the road.
Yeah, they were just going to change the one bad plug, and I'm like, you got the intake manifold, I'll change them all. So we put all new plugs in there, peace of mind, and
yep.
So hit the road with confidence.
Yep, and we got our tires rotated, we got our oil changed. We're doing pretty good. And we're fortunate enough that we were in a place where we could, you know, easily get this done. Kind of had driveways to surf.
Yeah, because we had friends that said, hey, if they're gonna have to keep it overnight or whatever, a couple days, you can borrow one of our cars, and that's nice to have family and friends when you're around. But
yeah, luckily we didn't have to.
We just never have problems with it. This is the first. Well, it wasn't even that serious, so it's the first thing we've ever had happen with.
And I find it's just maintenance. It's just like owning a home, except much less expensive to maintain.
Yeah, we put a lot of hard miles on this thing, and
yeah. Oh, it's been great. I have zero complaints about the chassis at all. Yep.
All right, let's hit the road.
Let's do it. Fat tire bike rides on the beach. We've never ridden fat tire bikes before. I'm excited. Whee! Thanks, Bike Newport. That was a fun bike ride. I enjoyed that.
She's not impressed.
She's not impressed. We are actually near Portland now. We came up, we visited my brother who lives near here and his wife. And then we visited our youngest son, Jesse. We've
been on a whirlwind family and friend visiting.
Yeah, so we haven't been filming as much as we normally do, so...
I've actually missed it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm looking forward to hitting the road, heading south, and having adventures that are worth videoing. So.
Well, when I visit people, I don't necessarily always want a camera around, I just want to be in the moment and enjoy their company and not do that. So, yeah, in another week or so, we are going to be heading south into California, and we are going to be at the Pomona RV show October 13th and 14th.
Yeah, we'll be at the Road Trek booth both Saturday and Sunday, those dates.
Between 11 and 1.
Yeah. So
if
you're in the area, we'd love to meet anyone that's...
Oh, yeah.
That'd be so cool. I never would have thought about it when we first started this, but whenever one of our subscribers messages us and says, hey, if you're in our area, we'd love to meet, we always try to do that whenever we can.
Yeah,
and we've done it quite a few times, and we've never had a bad experience.
Never.
We've made friends that we stay in touch with to this day, and probably always will.
Yeah.
It's just there's amazing people out there that we never would have had the opportunity to meet, and got friends we're going to meet down south this summer too, or this winter.
It'll be our summer.
It'll be our summer, yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. But yeah, it's really nice to get back and visit family and friends, and I don't know. I think, does it seem like when you're gone a lot, when you do come back, the time you are with family and friends is like better quality time?
Yeah, it is, because it's limited, so you really want to...
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like really crammed in,
Yeah. Sometimes
got a lot going on.
Yeah, and it's strange, because sometimes it's hard to leave, and it's
always hard to leave for me, but
it's a I don't know, mixed emotions. I mean, I can't wait to go see new things, but it's always hard to leave family and friends, and so it's that whole balance. I mean, it's a sacrifice of, well, I don't want to leave, so I don't go do all this stuff, or I'm going to go do all this stuff, and I'm going to miss people. So it's that balance of making sure you come back and
knowing when to come back and visit. Now, since we've been in one spot for a little while, we have been ordering a few things, and I just ordered a 3-quart Instapot.
You did?
Is it Instapot or Instant Pot?
I
don't know. One of those.
I'm sure they know.
And so I'm going to try that. Should be coming in next couple days. So I'm anxious to roll that out.
I guess we better go through some cupboards.
Yes, we definitely need to reorganize some things in here. I would also love to get an induction cooktop, but we do need to find a spot to store that while we're driving. Instead of doing a permanent induction, now that we have lithium, I want to try it first, because I may end up just loving the gas better. So we'll see, but I want to give that a go at some point. So yeah, all right. Well, we'll catch you guys on the other side.
Heading down the road here pretty soon. And can't wait to see. I'm not even sure which route we're going to go through to California. We have some friends in Southern Oregon and some people in California, so we'll see which way we go, and I guess we'll know when we get there.
You'll know when we know. What did I say the other day? Just start driving. Just start driving. It'll take us somewhere. Isn't that what I said? I was trying to navigate. The Maps app was not reading where we were. I just said, just start driving. It'll take us somewhere.
I had to almost pull over. I was laughing so hard. I'm like, yeah, it sure will.
That's our new quote.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Just start driving and it'll get us somewhere.
Yeah.
Very true.
Oh, and we're working on a logo. We're just doing all kinds of things, so we should be having...
Yeah, we want a logo with we want to put a sticker on the van, and...
Yeah, so maybe we'll have some stickers ready soon that we can send out to you guys. That'd be fun.
Maybe we already have an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it should be done by the time we video next time. The next video. Yeah, we'll show you in the next video our logo and stickers, hopefully, so... Cool, all right. Catch you down the road.
All right.
Carry on.